Hi guys, welcome back to Practice Lab. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in Wipro's interview. The candidate had more than 2 years of experience working as a Java developer, and when he solved this problem statement, he was offered a CTC of 7.8 LPA. Apart from Java, he was having knowledge about Spring Boot and REST APIs as well. And apart from solving this problem statement, he answered almost all the daily questions which were asked in the interview. Now, let me tell you what was the problem statement and how to solve it. Okay, so he was given a list of players and he was asked to find all the players whose name length is more than 5. And he was asked to print the names along with their count. Okay, so if you see this list contains around 5 names. Out of that 5 names, this Sachin and Virendra are having name length more than 5 characters. So my output should contain these 2 names. And as these are the 2 names, so my count should be 2. So the number of players with name length more than 5 are 2. That should be the first output. And say in second output, my list, it should be a list of filtered names or the names whose length is more than 5. Okay, now let me show you how to solve this problem by writing the code using Java features. Okay, so here you can see I have written a class find player names with name length more than 5. And inside that, I have written a main method, which is going to be starting point for my programming execution. Now, let me declare a list. So I'm going to use java.util.list, and this list is going to hold the names. So I'm going to make it a list of strings, and I'm going to declare a variable which will hold the player names. Okay, so to create a list, I'm going to use arrays.asList method, and I will provide the list of names from your problem statement. So I will copy all these names and I will put it into this. Okay, so this is my list, which is going to be input list. Now I have to filter this list and find the names or the players whose name length is more than 5 characters. So for that, I'm going to use Java feature. To use Java feature, I'm going to use stream APIs from Java, and to convert this name list into stream, I need to use stream function. This will give me a stream out of this list. And then I need to filter that list, and the condition should be the name length should be more than 5. So here I'm going to use name or a predicate which will give me all the names or all the strings whose length is greater than 5. So I'll put it into a bracket. Okay, so this will give me a list of names whose length is greater than 5, and then I'm going to collect this list into a list. So I'm going to use collectors dot to list method. So this will give a list of all the names whose length is greater than 5. And now I'm going to put this list into one of the variables. So I will copy this variable and I will put it into that list, filtered list into this, and I will rename it to be filtered list. Okay, so I got the filtered list. Now what I need to do, I need to print the count of all the players whose name length is greater than 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use sysout, and I'll print the statement which we have here. So I'll copy this number of players with name length more than 5 are, and I'm going to use filtered list dot size function. So this size function will give me all the count of names in this list. Okay, so this will print the count of or the number of elements which are available in this filtered list. And then I have to print the player names as well. So for that, I will write one more statement. I will copy simply this sentence here and paste it here. So this will be player names with name length more than 5. And I'm going to use one more Java feature to print these names. So here I'm going to use filtered list dot for each, and this for each is going to print the name of all the players from the filtered list. So here I'm going to provide action as a printing name on the console. So system dot out, and there is a method println which I'm going to invoke by using method reference operator. So this will print the names from this filtered list. Okay. Now let me save this and run the program. So right click, run as Java application. So you can see number of players with name length more than 5 are 2, and the player names with name length more than 5 are Sachin and Virendra. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. That will motivate me to create more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.